Hi guys, I'm Captain Salsa, and on this lesson, I will explain the system 3-2 clave. We are mambo dancer, but we have to know both style, on one and on two. But I highly recommend have knowledge and know how you can use these two styles. What is this? 3-2 and 2-3 clave. The system is when the musician play with the system clave, means three beats, three hits in first bar and two beats in second bar. It is 3-2 clave, and where bass is on one and wave is pam 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 ta ta im pum pam pam pa ta. This is 3-2 clave, and I will definitely dance on one because of feeling, because of energy. And when you have two hits in first bar and three hits in second bar, it is 2-3 clave son, means ta ta tiki a I a tum ti tiku a I a. And this way will give me natural feeling on 4 and 8. Kukum 8N 4N is, and it's no bass on 1. And on your part, for 100%, most of your song is in 2-3 clave system. And at this moment, you have to know that you must know two styles, on one and on two. Today, I simply explain the 3-2 clave, and let's start. Look, this is system 3-2 clave at on the top and 2-3 clave at the bottom. But today 3-2 clave, and I will explain with simply song Scandalo, Africando, and this is this song. Look, pam 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 ta ta and pam 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 ta ta. 1 and 4 6 7. 1 and 4 6 7. But it's not enough for understand the system. Moment, I will back to you. It's not enough understand just the hits, the clapping 1 and 4 6 7. We are dancer and we have to find the wave. We have to find the pulse, wave, energy for the dance. And for us, for me, it's not only mathematics. I want add the musicality, intonation for this hits. And 1 and 4 6 7. 1 and 4 6 7. It's not. It's nothing for nothing. But if I will add the downbeat and upbeat, boom, pam, pam, ah, I, it's better because you will feel the wave. Pam, 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 tati. Why? Because 1, 3, 5, 7, they are the downbeat, but 4, 6, 2, 8, and between and there are the upbeats. 1 and 4, 6, 7. You see? 1 and 4, 6, 7. Why? I want feel boom, pam, pam, ah, I, ah. Yeah? One more time. I will explain it with the song, and look. 1 and 4, 6, 7, bum, 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 boom, bum, 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 boom. Yeah? Now we can go and we can take more. And what is it? Just add the prep on the 8. 1 and 4, 6, 7, and 1. And this is so important. Listen the music. La maman, le papa et le grand fils aîné. And 1 and 4, 6, 7, 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 and bam, 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 6, 7, and boom. Yeah? Now you can more and you can exaggerate more in your body. You can put more feeling. Pam, 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 ta, ti, ah, pam, 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 ta, ti, ah. Not only numbers 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And this is knowledge about the clave wave. The clave is everywhere in the song. Every instrument play each other's, play within and with the clave system, with the clave K. Okay, let's check another song and you will feel more. Yeah, look. For example, Los Van Van.
Oye, yo conozco unos amigos míos que se la
and 5 and 4, 6, 7 and pam, 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 da, di, a, pum, param, pam, a, i, 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 a, 1 and 4, 6, 7 and 1 and 4, 6, 7 and 1, pam, pam, a, 1, da, la, a, i, 1, a, I, look how works the melody. Da, da, I, 1 and 4, 6, 7 and 1. Adam, I, I, da, 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 di, 1 and 4, 6, 7 and 1 and 4, 6, 7 and 1. Badam, bam, 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 bam. See, this is okay. Let's start with this. And if you will have K, for me the K is this. There's this son trito clave. 1 and 4, 6, 7 and 1. Ta-dam, pam, da, ti, a means 1 and 4, 6, 7 and. This is the K. Pam, ti-ram, pam. Dari, 1 and 4, 6, 7. But if you will fill this key in the song, you can put this key for your basic step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then how to can put this key to basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. How you can put the energy in the flow. Boom, param, pam, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. I highly recommend this. And I start and from the end 8 or from the 7, depends. And 1 and 3, 4, 5, and now I mark the 6, 7, 6, 7, 1 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pam, tara, a, pum, tira, a, and 4, 6, 7. Pum, param, pam, a, pum, param, pam, pam, tam, tam, and go. Pum, tiram, pam, a, 1 and 3, 4, 6, 7, 1 and 3, 4.
Notre fils aîné, qui a 40 ans, n'était toujours pas marié. Un jour il trouva la fille qu'il voulait. Il dit à son père, je voudrais l'épouser. Hélas mon garçon, hélas tu ne peux pas, car cette fille est ta sœur. Ta mère ne le sait pas.
Like that. Try this system. I guarantee that it will work for 100% because of the system. This system, which I did, doesn't work with 2-3 clave because of the clave. Pum, pirim, pam, aha. And at the end, after this lesson, this video, I will put my lesson with my student, and you will see how I try put the feeling for On1 dancer. They was totally excited with this, and they don't want back to flat system 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 without feeling, without the wave, without the space and volume. Okay, guys, if you will have the questions, just write in comments, and I will answer you. I will prepare some extra. Maybe you want train where is the bass, how you can recognize the song. Just write in comments. See you. Bye bye. Teraz pięta, teraz musisz hop, hop,